Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board the entry to Azimut's Atlantis line. This is their 43, and what a boat. And I can say that with authority because I've got hours and hundreds of miles on the 43 hull. I've been on this boat with my wife. I know how this boat performs. I know how it rides, and what a treat it really is. And it's not just because it's an Azimut. This hull, this boat, they did an exceptional job with. When was the last time you were on a 43 with a tender garage? How about lounging platforms, front and rear? Or from your full summer kitchen here. In a forward, check this out. A true freezer box. My jacket in it, staying nice and cool. But it has a freezer plate in it. You can adjust the temperature. You can keep ice, drinks, champagne cold right here in the cockpit. Obviously, the gorgeous wood done from Azimut and the teak floors that we walk on. This is an experience. It really is. This is an Azimut. We have a power sunroof over my head. An incredible windshield. The sightlines on this boat, truthfully, are a treat. For those navigating, for those actually piloting this boat, it's wonderful. And at nearly 14 foot wide, it has all the room. Everything you could ever need. What a place to relax on this boat. Enjoy a glass of your favorite champagne, or maybe the champagne that comes when you purchase it. But here's the real party piece for a 43. Come on down below and let me show you just how much cabin this boat gives you in a 43-foot package. I mean, it's incredible. You have a full galley. You have a full settee that makes a twin bed. Below deck and aft, you have a cabin that gives you twin beds, and this particular one, in their layout option, Azimut gives you the ability to either have a chest of drawers on the starboard side of the aft cabin, or it gives you the ability to have a third bed, particularly wonderfully useful for families that are getting into the boating, into the cruising and a little bit longer range. And of course forward, we've got just a delightful master cabin. You've got mirrors abound, flat screen TV, Bose sound, and of course, you have twin heads. This is a 43-foot boat with twin heads, folks. If you've never been on the water, you might not realize the significance. And while this is an entry-level boat, it has amenities that hit far above its pay grade. This is Azimut's 43 Atlantis. If we can tell you a little bit more about it or show you the only 43 on the entire west coast of Florida, give us a call at MarineMax Sarasota. We'll talk to you soon.